In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Path of Exile 2 crashing on startup. Now the first thing is you want to try and verify the game files. So head over to your Steam library, find the game that you want to do it on. So in this case it will be Path of Exile, but just select the game, right click, go to Properties, Installed Files, and in there you can verify your game files. Once you've done that, see if the game works now. If it still doesn't work, what you should do is open up your NVIDIA if you have it. Otherwise, you should install it. Go to drivers, and in here you want to make sure that you check for updates, and then make sure that you take the latest driver. Of course, if you're using something else besides NVIDIA, you should also do it from in there. So just make sure you have the latest driver update. Now, if this still doesn't work, what you can do is come here and search for updates. Check if you have a Windows update. So just come in here, let it load for a little bit, and then you should take your update. Now, once you've done all of this, the game should hopefully work. Otherwise, there's two more things we can try. You can try and find the game on your desktop, right click on it, go to Properties, and not this one, because that is another game. Go to the Properties, Compatibility folder, and then you want to activate these two on your Path of Exile. Now, if this still doesn't work, the last option I suggest you do is you try and reinstall the game and see if that fixes it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.